Introduction. I. What is the endocrine system? The endocrine system plays a critical role in regulating various bodily functions, including growth and development, metabolism, and reproduction. It consists of a network of glands that produce and secrete hormones, which are chemical messengers that travel throughout the body and affect the function of various organs and tissues. One of the key components of the endocrine system is the hypothalamus, a small but crucial gland located in the brain. The hypothalamus is responsible for controlling the release of hormones from the pituitary gland, which is often referred to as the master gland, due to its influence over the other glands in the endocrine system. The pituitary gland secretes hormones that regulate growth and development, as well as those that control the function of the thyroid, adrenal glands, and reproductive organs. The thyroid gland, located in the neck, is responsible for producing hormones that regulate metabolism, which is the process by which the body converts food into energy. When the thyroid gland produces too little or too much of these hormones, it can result in a range of health problems, including weight gain or loss, fatigue, and difficulty regulating body temperature. The adrenal glands, located on top of the kidneys, produce hormones that help the body respond to stress and regulate blood pressure. The adrenal glands also produce hormones that are involved in the body's response to inflammation and infection. The pancreas, located in the abdomen, produces hormones that regulate blood sugar levels. When the pancreas does not produce enough of these hormones, it can result in diabetes, a condition in which the body is unable to regulate blood sugar levels properly. The reproductive organs, including the ovaries in females and the testes in males, produce hormones that regulate fertility and sexual development. These hormones are also involved in the development of secondary sexual characteristics, such as the growth of body hair and the deepening of the voice during puberty. In addition to these glands, there are several other organs and tissues in the body that produce hormones, including the kidneys, heart, and adipose tissue, fat cells. These hormones play important roles in regulating blood pressure, fluid balance, and metabolism. Overall, the endocrine system is a complex and interconnected network of glands and hormones that work together to regulate a wide range of bodily functions. When this system is functioning properly, the body is able to maintain a state of balance and homeostasis. However, when there is a problem with one or more of the glands or hormones, it can result in a range of health problems, from relatively minor issues like fatigue and weight gain to more serious conditions like diabetes and thyroid disorders. In the next section, we will delve deeper into the various hormones and glands of the endocrine system, exploring their specific functions and the effects they have on the body. 2. Functions of the endocrine system. The endocrine system plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's overall health and well-being. One of the key functions of this system is to regulate various bodily processes by secreting hormones. Hormones are chemical messengers that are produced by specialized glands in the endocrine system and are carried by the bloodstream to target cells and organs throughout the body. The endocrine system is responsible for regulating a wide range of functions, including metabolism, growth and development, sexual function, and responses to stress. For example, the thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate metabolism, while the reproductive glands secrete hormones that control sexual development and function. The endocrine system also plays a critical role in maintaining homeostasis, which refers to the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment despite changes in the external environment. For instance, the adrenal glands produce hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline that help the body respond to stress and maintain homeostasis. Overall, the endocrine system is a complex network of glands, hormones, and signaling pathways that work together to regulate various bodily processes and maintain overall health and well-being. Understanding the functions of the endocrine system is essential for maintaining good health and managing various endocrine disorders. 3. Anatomy of the endocrine system. The endocrine system is made up of several glands located throughout the body. Each gland produces hormones, which are then released into the bloodstream to be transported to different parts of the body. Hormones are chemical messengers that control many different bodily functions, such as growth and development, metabolism, and reproductive processes. The major glands of the endocrine system include the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid glands, adrenal glands, pancreas, ovaries, in females, and testes, in males. Each gland produces its own set of hormones and has a unique role in regulating bodily functions. For example, the pituitary gland produces growth hormone, which is essential for normal growth and development, while the thyroid gland produces thyroxine, which controls metabolism. In addition to the major glands, there are also several other organs and tissues that produce hormones, including the heart, kidneys, liver, and adipose tissue, fat. These hormones, known as local hormones, have a more localized effect within the body. The endocrine system works closely with the nervous system to regulate bodily functions. While the nervous system responds quickly to stimuli, the endocrine system acts more slowly but has a longer-lasting effect. Hormones can also be regulated by feedback mechanisms, where the hormone itself or other factors in the body signal the gland to produce more or less of the hormone. Overall, the endocrine system plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis, or a stable internal environment, in the body. Dysfunction of the endocrine system can lead to a variety of disorders, including diabetes, thyroid disorders, and hormonal imbalances. IV. Hormones and their functions. The endocrine system produces and releases hormones, which are chemical messengers that travel through the bloodstream to different organs and tissues in the body. Hormones play a vital role in regulating many different physiological processes, including growth and development, metabolism, reproduction, and the response to stress. There are many different hormones in the body, each with their own specific functions. For example, insulin is produced by the pancreas and regulates blood sugar levels by signaling cells to take up glucose from the bloodstream. Thyroid hormones, produced by the thyroid gland, are involved in regulating metabolism and growth. Testosterone and estrogen are sex hormones that play a key role in reproduction and the development of secondary sex characteristics. Other hormones, such as cortisol and adrenaline, are involved in the body's response to stress. These hormones are released by the adrenal glands and help to prepare the body for the fight-or-flight response. Cortisol, in particular, has many different effects on the body, including increasing blood sugar levels, suppressing the immune system, and affecting mood and behavior. The endocrine system also produces hormones that regulate the sleep-wake cycle, such as melatonin, and hormones that are involved in the regulation of fluid balance, such as antidiuretic hormone, ADH. Additionally, many hormones play a role in the development and functioning of the immune system. Overall, the endocrine system and its hormones play a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis in the body and ensuring that all of its different systems and processes are working together properly. When the balance of hormones is disrupted, it can lead to a variety of different health problems, including diabetes, thyroid disorders, and reproductive disorders. Versus disorders of the endocrine system. Like all other systems in the body, the endocrine system can also be affected by various disorders. Some common endocrine disorders include diabetes, thyroid disorders, growth hormone disorders, and adrenal gland disorders. Diabetes is a condition in which the body is unable to properly regulate blood sugar levels, either due to insufficient insulin production or the body's inability to use insulin effectively. Thyroid disorders, on the other hand, can affect the production or activity of thyroid hormones, leading to symptoms such as weight gain or loss, fatigue, and changes in heart rate. Growth hormone disorders can lead to abnormal growth patterns in children and adults, while adrenal gland disorders can affect the production of hormones such as cortisol, which is involved in stress response. It's important to recognize the symptoms of these disorders and seek medical attention if necessary. Treatment options may include medications, hormone replacement therapy, or surgery, depending on the specific disorder and its severity. Regular checkups and screenings can also help detect and manage endocrine disorders early on, improving overall health outcomes. Overall, the endocrine system plays a vital role in maintaining homeostasis and regulating numerous bodily functions through the secretion of hormones. By understanding the functions of the different glands and hormones in the endocrine system, as well as the various disorders that can affect it, we can better appreciate the importance of this system in our overall health and well-being. Conclusion. In conclusion, the endocrine system plays a vital role in regulating the body's functions and maintaining homeostasis. The various glands in the endocrine system secrete hormones that travel through the bloodstream and act on target cells to initiate physiological responses. The endocrine system is interconnected with other systems in the body, such as the nervous system, and it helps to maintain balance and coordination between different body functions. Imbalances in the endocrine system can lead to various disorders and diseases, such as diabetes, thyroid problems, and infertility. Understanding the functions and anatomy of the endocrine system is essential for maintaining good health and preventing these disorders. With ongoing research and advances in medicine, we can continue to deepen our understanding of this complex system and improve the lives of those affected by endocrine-related conditions.